A very warm good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. This is Kaladhar Gopal of class 10th A speaking for the motion Diet and Nutrition During Pandemic. As we know that the year 2020 has brought an evil catastrophic virus with it, COVID-19. A lot of preventive measures were introduced by the government and also international organizations to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Lockdown and quarantine were very much effective during these days. But after 7 or 8 months of lockdown and quarantine, I have personally realized that something more dangerous is flourishing at our homes, and that is our lethargic nature. And I'm pretty sure that if the situation continues, this slow poison is going to kill even more people. During these days, we need to be very careful about what we are taking, what the nutrition we are taking, and what type of exercises and workout we are doing these days. Here I would like to discuss with you some of the points that are given in the data by Food and Agriculture Organizations of United Nations America to keep a good health during these days. And why do we need to do that? We will also discuss in this. So the data says eat a variety of food within each food group across all food groups to ensure an adequate intake of nutrients. Why? We all know that now we need to focus on improving our immune system, and for this vegetables and fruits are the best. If you are able to get citrus fruits such as lemon, pomelo, king lime or amla, the king as mentioned in our Ayurveda is best for a normal day and must if you are not well. So the vitamin C or the ascorbic acid present in these fruits or the citrus fruits act as an antioxidant and prevent our cells from the damage caused by radical compounds which are formed during the conversion of food into energy in our body. Taking diet rich in whole grains, nuts, healthy fats such as an olive, rich in unsaturated fatty acids support your immune system and also help to reduce inflammation. You must be knowing these points for years, but there is something which we have missed. Here I would like to break some of the misconceptions and myths which are about diet and nutrition. Those who are in against the motion must be saying that with just diet and nutrition alone we cannot fight a pandemic. There are other mental and physical issues which cannot be corrected by simply eating something. Well, that sounds acceptable, right? But what does diet and nutrition mean? Is it just eating and eating something, or diet means doing a weight loss? Probably not alone. The real scientific and rational meaning of diet is the food and drink a person consumes on a daily basis for a good health and the physical and mental circumstances that are connected with it. Talking about nutrition, nutrition involves more than simply having a good diet. It involves nourishment at every level. It involves relationships with our families, friends, nature, body, community, and the whole world. And this is not something which is my own thoughts. This is an authentic report given by University of Minnesota at www.takingcharge.com. And the most important thing to keep in mind is that simply giving input will not give us output. We need to process it. In the same way, diet and nutrition doesn't mean eating alone. It already has the methods of processing of what you have eaten. And I think these 2 lines of clarification summarizes the whole message that the topic is trying to convey to us. Please change the perspective, not the vision to see the topic, and definitely you will support it with a thumping majority. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy. Jai Hind.